Imagine Pal's alphabet series. Let's learn how to write big letter C and small letter c today. C is for car, vroom vroom. This is uppercase letter C or big letter C, and this is lowercase letter c or small letter c. Let's start to write with the help of numbers, dots, and arrows. Let's go! Start at the top and draw a curved line all the way down to the bottom. You can follow the arrows. Yay! You just learned to write the big letter C. Now, let's learn to write the lowercase or small letter c. Start from the middle and draw a curved line all the way to the bottom. Wonderful! You have learned to write the big and small letter C. Wasn't that easy? Now, let's look at a few words starting with letter C. C is for car, C is for candy, and C is also for cloud. Keep practicing letter C, and let's learn how to write letter D in our next video.